Did a software update break the Boost System Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get boost.org running again. As we look at the manual steps for Boost System Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Boost System Library, a foundational library of the Boost C++ suite, providing the standardized error code and category classes used by thousands of high-performance applications. It is a critical dependency for scientific modeling software and game engines. Missing Boost System DLL prevents the app from initializing its primary logic sequencer. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Errors involving Boost System Library DLL typically indicate that the boost.org files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A simple restart can resolve file and use errors that mimic a missing Boost System Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Boost System Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Boost System Library. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Boost System Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.